Hey, good morning, my gators. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the single mom versus the fixer-upper. If you did not know, I am a single mom who was married for 18 years, and I am starting all over in a new state, in a new town, where I have no friends or family. I didn't relocate here because I knew anyone or anything like that. So just let that marinate. And I am in my 40s, okay? I bought a fixer-upper, and I have been creating this place into a beautiful home that I am so grateful for every day. When I first walked into these doors and my realtor walked into these, well, she didn't want to walk into the doors. When she stepped in the first door, she was like, no, you go ahead. So long story short, I still went with it. I feel like it was a blessing, and I have been on a journey to create like the most awesome space that I can out of something that most people wouldn't have wanted. Every day I get up and I tackle something different. Definitely got to make my bed. I just put on my work clothes. Y'all know, if you know, you know. When you see me in these, more than likely it's because I'm doing some work. Sometimes I might even wear my outdoor robe, but today I am going to be tackling putting up a new thermostat, which I will show you guys in just a minute. And I'm going to be tackling removing the caulk around the tub and putting in new caulk and really cleaning that tub. That caulk was put on just so not right. So I bought some new caulk. I bought a new thermostat. I have a waste thermostat now. Don't like it. It just triggers the AC versus the heat when it wants to, and I'm not feeling that anymore. So definitely going to tackle those two things, and I have to change the battery in my Blink doorbell. I got lithium batteries now. But before I do all that, this right here needs to be tackled. So wait, let me tackle this. Let me open up the curtains because they're not open. And we're going to move on. These are just quick videos to share what's going on behind the scenes, what I do on a daily basis, because every day I'm doing something different. And I want to share those things in smaller videos because I don't know when I'm going to be able to prepare the big video of me showing me actually doing, removing caulking, replacing caulking, removing the thermostat, replacing a new thermostat. A lot of the things are new. No, some of the things are new. A lot of the things I feel like is great to share with someone who might be intimidated by it. I'm a little intimidated by that thermostat, but your girl gonna get that thermostat in. So let's make this bed up and get this room together. And let me move my companionship from over there, and then make the bed and show you what it looks like and get into showing you the things I'm gonna do. All right, guys, let's get into the task that I need to tackle. Come on. So, hold on. I have to cut that music down. Ooh, hold on, y'all. So this is the WIZZ'S unit I have. Didn't take off the paper and stuff yet. It's still brand new. It's been giving me trouble. The app and even the people that you call to help you with the app, to help you reset it or whatever, they don't even know what they're doing. I was on the phone for 4 hours last year, and my unit has been off ever since. And I turned it on, the heat and stuff is working, but it cuts the AC on. Like right now, it cut the AC on. It does what it wants to do, and I can't stand it. So I end up getting this, being I have Alexas and stuff around the house. So stay tuned. I'm be doing a video of me, whatchamacallit, changing out this thermostat here for this one. So I'm gonna be doing a deep intel video showing you what I do, how I do it with that. And my next task is also to change the caulk around the tub. It needs it like really bad. When you have hard water, your caulk turns color really fast. I have to find a special brush so I can clean it, but I still want it changed because it wasn't installed right. So yeah, these are two tasks for today that I'm going to be tackling. I get it done in a fixer-upper. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for other videos. I love making my bed. It makes me feel good and begin the day and do what I need to do. So we're about to go tackle these, and I will see you guys later, guys. Talk to me in the comments because I talk back.